Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Java's.exe applications error, unable to launch applications with the error message. Windows cannot find Java.exe. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again. So Java.exe is a legitimate Windows file that is necessary for the network security and smooth performance of Java-based programs. The main reasons why Windows cannot find Java.exe error occurs can be malware infections, corrupted Windows registry entries, Java.exe was deleted or moved, and install or uninstall problems with related applications. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to configure Java. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung configure Java. And automatic yan na mag-a-appear kagad dito yung configure Java app. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong Java control panel, ang next step ay dito lang sa taas ay makikita mo dito yung General, Update, Java Security, and Advanced. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Update. And then makikita mo dito yung Check for Updates automatically. So kailangan naka-check yan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung Update Now. And then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. So once na-update mo na siya, so same procedure, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security, and then kailangan mo lang i-check tong box na enable Java content for browser and web start applications. Dapat naka-enable yan or naka-check itong box, and i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So click mo lang yan. Alright, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to restart Java.exe. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar. So dito lang sa ating computer taskbar ay kailangan mo lang mag right click dito sa blank space area. So right click and select mo lang dito yung task manager. And once na open mo na tong task manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang ilocate dito sa processes tab yung Java, or dito naman sa taas dito sa searching address bar. So pwede mo dito i-search. So click mo lang yan and type mo lang dito yung Java. And makikita mo kaagad dito yung Java platform. So, select and right click. And i-click mo lang dito yung add task para ma-restart po siya. So, once nagawa mo na dito sa task manager, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to buy Windows registry problem. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung registry editor. And kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong registry editor, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machines. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan mo i-locate dito yung software folder. So click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And then dito sa software folder, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft folder. So select yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito sa Microsoft, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Windows folder. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then i-locate mo lang dito yung Windows folder. So click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And dito sa Windows folder, and then select mo lang dito yung current versions folder. So click yung arrow na yun para mag-expand. And dito sa current versions, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung app paths. So i-select mo lang dito yung app paths, and then click yung arrow na yun para mag-expand. And then dito sa app paths ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Java.exe. So scroll down, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Java.exe. So, one time click ka lang dito, at dito lang sa right side pane ay select mo lang dito yung path, and kailangan mo na itong i-delete. So, click mo lang dito yung delete. Alright, so once nagawa mo na dito, and then close lang natin yan, at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to resolve the Java's.exe applications error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.